If you've been looking for a high-ticket sales funnel you can swipe and deploy to generate big commissions even while you're sleeping, you're in the right place. See, I used to struggle with creating my own funnel. I'm not very technical. I'm not naturally good at sales. But what I discovered was a done-for-you system that gives you all of the capture page, the sales page, the follow-up emails that are incredibly high converting, and even the done-for-you digital products that will pay you instant 100% commissions. Just using this, I've been able to generate amazing results. And as you follow me throughout this video, you're gonna learn how to swipe and deploy this exact same high ticket sales funnel and this exact same campaign. Now, first off, I want to share with you some results. I'm inside of my Stripe account. You can see right here, Garrett's digital sales, and these $900 high ticket commissions are coming in over and over again like clockwork, just using this exact same sales funnel that you're going to be able to use as well. I'm going to break everything down in this video, but if you want to skip ahead and just go ahead and access the system right away, there's going to be a link directly below. When you click that link, it will take you to this page to get access to the step-by-step blueprint, walking you through more about exactly how to set this up. You just go to this page, put your best email, and then you can check out that private training. Now, this is beyond easy, and these are the only 3 steps you need to actually take, and I'm gonna walk you through again in this video step by simple step. Number 1 is we're gonna sign up for the program. Now, this program, again, is going to give us the done-for-you funnel, give us assets such as copy-paste advertisements and things like that, and even some training on exactly how to promote that funnel even more. Number 2 is we're gonna actually set up the automated funnel. So I'm gonna walk you through how to actually start setting this up. Once you set it up, which will not take long, you will be able to just focus on the last step on a daily basis, which is send clicks to your funnel. And I'm even gonna share with you a strategy to get tons of high quality clicks from real people a little bit later in this video, so you can start sending targeted people through this funnel, allowing you to generate these commissions on a daily basis. Now, the program we're gonna use to generate these high ticket commissions is called the Legacy Builder program. All you have to do is, again, when you go to the link below and you access that blueprint and training walking you through, ultimately you'll get taken to this page here. All you have to do is scroll down and you want to choose one of the levels inside. Now, there's 4 main levels. All of the levels will give you access to the done-for-you funnel, but because this program will give you done-for-you products to promote as far as master resell rights, which are basically a legal right giving you the rights to sell these products as your own, which gives us the 100% instant profits. Whatever level you join, you qualify for commissions at that level and all the levels under it, which is why the one-time $900 investment is the most popular. So whichever level you join, let's say the $900, you just go to that button there, you fill out your information on this order form, you agree to the terms right here, and then you just pay with a debit or credit card. Now, once you do that, you'll get a welcome email guiding you to start setting up this process so you can go ahead and sell this as your own. So once you go to the link in your welcome email, you'll get taken to the video training modules. And what you want to do is you want to go down and you want to look for this one right here, automate your online business for time freedom. Okay, this right here is going to be step 2, which is setting up the automated funnel. So what I recommend you do is you go through these videos step by simple step. They're not long, they're over the shoulder, and it's going to walk you through, how to open a Square account, right? If you want to start collecting your commissions and sales through Square, you can Squarespace, right? You can also do PayPal. So if you want to collect payments through a PayPal, they'll teach you how to do that. Then right here is how to actually import your sales page funnel. So the sales page that you'll get access to is going to be right there. You can just import it. How to import your capture page. Okay, so this is the page that's going to capture your prospect's email address, and then this funnel will automatically start working to convert them into a buyer. This right here is how to, set up an email, things like that, connecting your payway, automated emails. Okay, so how to import your automated email templates and things like that. So essentially, this is the actual high ticket funnel. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like right there. So it's basically the capture page, okay, when they put their email in, it's going to redirect to the sales page that's high converting, that's going to sell people for you. And when someone buys, you get paid at whatever level those people join. Okay, the most popular, again, being the $900 according to the data inside of this program, allowing you to generate those big commissions. Now, when they enter their email, they'll also get added to an email list, which will start following up with people, automatically sending people back to the sales page and then allowing them to decide to buy. Okay, this process works again on autopilot. Now, once you set up that funnel, okay, using the video training, your now last step is to drive traffic or clicks. Now, posting content online is one of the strategies that they actually teach inside of this program. Okay, so if you go to step 2, they actually have training. Okay, step 2, page 2, they have training on getting traffic. Okay, so you can attract customers with TikTok. You can post free ads, free advertisements that are copy paste. They even give you templates that you can just swipe and deploy. YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram Reels. Okay, so you can actually just post content. You can post ads. You want to send people to your capture page. Now, for sticking with me towards the end of this video, I want to share one bonus strategy to get tons of clicks instantly sent to your funnel. All you have to do is go to the link under this video, and there will actually be taking you to this page here, Traffic Authority. Traffic Authority is a traffic store. So you can literally choose a package of clicks, okay? And whatever package of clicks you choose, it will start automatically delivering clicks from real high quality people to whatever link you want to promote. Okay, so let's say, for example, you choose the gold package. So this is 850 to 950 clicks, and it will start drip feeding over the course of about a month. So you're getting consistent clicks to this high converting, high ticket sales funnel. So then you just go ahead and put your URL right there. We want to put the link to our capture page. So we're always collecting our prospect's email address. Okay, we want to put in a debit or credit card, sign our name, okay, to verify that we do want the traffic, and then submit the order. And again, within a day or so, you'll start getting clicks to your funnel, and then people will put their email in, get followed up with, decide to buy, and you will start generating commissions just like myself and just like people from around the world. So again, just go to the link directly below, access that blueprint while it's still available. Pay close attention to the training inside the blueprint, walking you through how to get started, how to set everything up, and you can literally have this running in the next few hours. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, like this video to let me know to make more. Subscribe because I'm going to be going deeper in my future videos, and also comment if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.